Hey y'all, this is my first video and I wanted to show you guys how you can get a free sample box like this, full sizes, not travel sizes, true brands, not off brand. You can get makeup, you can get food, just whatever, depending on what they're giving that week. And it's great to get free stuff. If it ain't free, it ain't for me. And I'm pretty sure all of you love getting free stuff. So I just wanted to show you guys what kind of things you can get. This was the Galentines VoxBox from Influenster. I'll put the link down below. You can get cool things like this body wash, gel douche. It's vegan. They give out a little piece of paper like this. It just shows you all the products you receive. It'll tell you about it. It just says, oh, it's worth $7.99. And it says an exciting beauty brand for skin and hair that combines effective beauty care with cold pressed oils, and it doesn't matter. Okay, well, this looks great. I haven't used it before. It's full size and I don't know, it just looks cool. And I also got this Caviar anti-aging perfect texture spray. And what it does is you just spray it on your hair and it protects your hair from the heat up to 450 degrees. I don't know why the fuck you would be in that heat. But that's what it does. I'm gonna try it. I haven't tried it just to see how it smells. I don't know if that's what you guys want to know. We'll just fuck. Does it have like a... Holy shit. I wonder... No. Is it locked? Piece of shit. Oh. It smells like hairspray. Wait. Oh, now it sprays so easily, I think. It smells fine. This is fine. It's like those memes. Yeah, it smells just like hairspray. I won't see how it works in this sunniness, but that's what I got. And I also got these Even Beauty pills. They support even skin tone. There's like a crap ton in here. Amplify your daily beauty routine with blah blah blah. This is fucking boring. Okay, this is worth $20. That's great. And I also got this glitter spray called Queen. It's for your hair and your body. I guess we'll put some on just so I could see how it looks. I don't know where. Oh, see, this one's easy to... Fuck, that's probably too much. Oh my god, it smells like horchata. Never mind. Fuck, it smells like alcohol. Let's see how it looks. Well, from all that I sprayed, it's not too glittery, which is kind of good because you also don't want to look fucking stupid or just look like Edward Cullen, but it's nice. Just obviously gotta add more. And I did wipe it off on my hand. Oh shit, yeah, it's all on my hand, so... This is what it looks like. Yes, this is worth $12. So this is just great stuff to get for free because, I mean, you could look really cute with this, putting it on just for fun to add on to an outfit if you're going to go to a rave or anything. And you don't want to spend $12 just to look shiny. So I think it's a really cool thing to get. And I also got this therapy session hair mask, same brand. Eva New York City. I don't know how the fuck you pronounce it. Eva NYC. I'm not a makeup guru, beauty guru, but that's the brand. And do they have it on here? They didn't show me how much it's worth, but I'm pretty sure you could just look it up. But yeah, it's a hair mask. I'm not gonna put it on, but oh fuck. Let me take off this. If I can take this shit off. Okay, you could see how it looks on here. Aw, cute. It's like a little lotion. Clearly, I've never used hair masks. Whatever, we'll just put that shit on my head. I just fucking showered too. So I just have all this random shit in my hair. And then the last thing in the box, they gave me a mascara. Pretty vulgar mascara. It's worth $23. $23 for this little mascara. I'm not throwing shade or anything, but It says an intense black, long-lasting mascara that instantly increases fullness and delivers dramatic false effect lashes with just one swipe. Okay, so we'll see how that goes. But honestly, it looks so cute. I want to show you guys how it looks. Can you guys... I'll flip the camera because this is shit. Look how cute it is. Has little birds. Aww. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And it's tiny. Let me see how it looks when you open it. Okay, so I'm going to open the Pretty Vulgar mascara. Oh. I'm fucking stupid. Oh, it's really cute. Alright, well. I don't fucking wear makeup and other than lipstick, but do I look like the panda without the black circles? I don't know how to put mascara without looking dumb as fuck, but I'm scared. I always get scared I'm gonna like stab my fucking eyeball. And when I do, I'm just like, oh shit. I'm gonna go more blind. Do these look like false extreme lashes like they said it did? Oh, it actually looks really good. Oh, I didn't curl them. I know you're supposed to do that. And excuse my eyebrows, but I just don't fucking bother to do them. Oh my god, it actually looks really nice. I look like a fucking weirdo. I'm like, oh, and I fucked up by blinking too hard, but that's pretty good. How do makeup people like show their makeup? Do they? What am I fucking doing? I'm gonna post this. I don't care. Oh my god, is that a tear? Oh, it's glitter. This is the real me, y'all. This is the real me. Yep, that was all that they gave me in that box. And that sounded so fucking ungrateful, but that's what I got. These beautiful, I'm just gonna try to grab them all. These great fucking products. Yep. So thank you, Influenster. I'll put the link down below. All you have to do is just sign up. You make a profile. It'll tell you, it'll ask you who do you live with, how many people, what's your gender, what's your age, just so then they can get a feel of who you are and what you like, what your interests are, what products you would like to try. When making your profile, you can add folders that just of anything, and you could just add different products like what you want for your house, what you want for your your beauty, clothes. They have like shit like fucking pillows, microwaves, blenders. I don't know, they have everything on there. You won't get everything, but you can try, and then you can write reviews for things that you've tried. And just basically the more you build up your profile, the more they'll be like, okay, they're active. They're not just gonna get a free sample and then just dip. So it's not hard work. Honestly, I did that like that real quick, and then I started getting free sample boxes. Then when you get your box, you get the paper out of the box, and usually they have like a little barcode. This one doesn't. And if it doesn't, well, you'll have the app already, so you could just say that you got your box, and then you just rate all the items. They want you to post on Instagram or Facebook, any social media, just rating what your products are like, how you like them. Obviously, you can also put on YouTube, and then the higher your influences on Influenster, and which is basically how many followers, because then you're going to connect your social media. So you'll connect your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, anything, all your blogs, all your YouTube followers, subscribers, whatever. And the higher amount that you have of people watching, the more products they want to send you. So then you could keep reviewing, and that's so more people can want to join Influencer. I'll put the link down below, and then you guys can start your Influencer profile and then get all these free things, which is so amazing. I have plenty of other apps, websites, I don't know, anything that will give you free samples, because I don't just do boxes. I go for single items. I can post all of the websites I love using to get anything for free, like, so I'll put all the links down below. And then if you like this video, please give it a like. I know everybody says that and it's so fucking annoying. Give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. But honestly, I don't actually, you know what? Just if you fucking like this video, you don't have to like it. I don't care. If you like these types of videos, please subscribe. I know it might be pretty shitty since it's my first one, but I hope they get better and I hope they're actually useful to you and that you learn on how to get free things, because I will definitely be getting more and I'll be recording those because I haven't recorded all of the other ones I had. But I'll post pictures and videos right now of the things that I have gotten, just some, because I've gotten plenty. Some will be from Influenster and some will be from just other random subscription boxes for free, because we don't pay on this YouTube channel. We don't. And yeah, some websites. So thank you for watching. This is an update on my eye after I finish the video. So, yep. So this is just one last view of what the box looks like. These are all the products you get, and they always wrap it up so nicely with the tissue paper, and the boxes are always so cute. So yeah, if you get anything, please comment below and let me know what you got. I'm really excited to hear what you guys get. And I'm really excited to see what I can get in the future. So yeah, comment below, bitch. Now these are the free samples that I fucking live for. Let me just open this shit. Let me see what's in here. What the fuck? Holy shit! Wow, they're like college student, doesn't eat. Let's give her some fruits. What the fuck? Oh my god.